Hi, welcome back. This is Lynn. Today we're going to learn the famous lullaby from Brahms. If you are new here, this channel is about to give you all the basic knowledge to play the piano from the beginning. So subscribe if you're interested, and let's start playing.
Today we'll start with the left hand. It's basically only 3 chords. I'll explain chords in an extra lesson, and I'm sure you will soon get a feeling for them. And today I'll teach you only 3 of them. It's a very basic one. It's the C, that is with the notes C and E and G. And F, that is with the notes C and F and A. And the G, with B and D and G. So if you have learned like G is with G and B and D, it starts with a G. I just want you to know that as long as these 3 notes are played, it doesn't matter from which one you start. It can be this, can be this, can be this. It's all just like what you want. Okay, let's try the left hand. It's quite easy. Twice C a chord and F, back to C, G, again and again, and C all together. Okay, second line, F, back to C, G, C, F again, C, G, and C. Okay, the difficult part of this song is the right hand. We have quite a wide range, so we will jump from C to another higher C, and we have several dotted notes, like the second bar, G, and like the fourth bar. I want you to practice like this. If you don't know how to count the dotted note, count the 3 beats a little bit slower and double them, like 1 1 2 2 3 3, 1 1 2 2 3 3, 1 1 2 2 3 3. So in this way, you can get the half beat exactly where it should be. Okay, let's try the right hand all along. Now, move your thumb from C to E and play the higher C with 5th finger. And here, change the finger. We have an A. Directly after an A, we played that with 3rd finger. Now change that to the 4th finger. Here it ends with the first sentence, and then we have a jump. See that? If you cannot do that, just jump a little bit like this. Now we slowly put 2 hands together. Okay, if you want, you can hit the pedal. use the pedal only the right one, and every time you use that, just remember to let loose after every bar. Okay, at least after every change to another chord, so that all the notes won't mix together.
Alright, I hope you had a nice time learning. I'll upload the notes into the video description. When you practice, try not to hit the keys too hard and play softly. If you have any question, feel free to leave me a comment. I'll see you next Friday. Bye!